Angel, tell us about your wardrobe.
You know, shut up, alright? We're not supposed to see this yet, so off.
Sorry, he's feeling like a little diva today.
Shut the f up.
Alex, tell us about what we're gonna do.
I'm gonna try to wake up. That's what I'm gonna try to do.
What are you doing, man?
I don't know.
Are you like getting ready for war? What is
Yeah,
this?
pretty much.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing today?
We're on an adventure. And this adventure is gonna deal with a lot of photo stuff and modeling stuff and Moody stuff.
It is 4th of July, by the way. It's,
yeah.
It's about 7 a.m. So this is how we're starting off America's birthday.
So we're celebrating creativity.
Celebrating creativity, just like our forefathers. This is Aurelia, by the way. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell us about what we're doing today.
We don't really have a plan.
Awesome. That's exactly what we're doing, is we don't know.
As well as...
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
You know what that usually means in horror movies, right?
Oh shit, what?
When you see helium balloons, like pop helium balloons in the middle of the forest.
What does that even mean?
This is the start of a horror movie, you know this. This is some Blair Witch stuff.
There's nobody around?
Exactly.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this vlogging extravaganza
are we
brought to you
double
by...
teaming this right now?
Yeah, yeah. At least when we die in the middle of the forest, like if we get murdered, there's gonna be plenty of evidence.
Exactly. And they'll have some nice equipment too to
That's true.
remember us. So.
That's true.
We're here in the Australian outback, here to catch kangaroos and see what they have to say. And kangaroo poop, we found them, we're on the trail.
I'm gonna title this video "How Not to Do an Australian Accent."
Oi!
Just call on me.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. Change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. That we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on.